Stop by and take a look at the 2026 CR-V Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.